Have you ever wondered if you need to pay to use YNAB, the popular budgeting tool? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who are new to personal finance or looking for ways to manage their money more effectively. In this video, we'll dive into the details and answer the question once and for all: do you have to pay to use YNAB? The short answer is yes, you do have to pay to use YNAB. However, there's a bit more to it than that. Let's break down the different ways you can access YNAB and the costs associated with each. The premium subscription. The most common way to use YNAB is through a premium subscription. This subscription gives you full access to all of YNAB's features, including budgeting, create and manage multiple budgets, track your income and expenses, and set financial goals. Debt management, track your debts, create repayment plans, and see how quickly you can become debt-free. Savings, set savings goals, track your progress, and automate your savings. Reporting, generate customizable reports to see how you're doing with your finances. The premium subscription is available as a monthly or annual plan. While the monthly plan might seem more affordable up front, the annual plan offers a significant discount. The free trial. Before committing to a premium subscription, you can try YNAB for free with a 34-day trial. This trial gives you full access to all of YNAB's features, so you can see if it's the right tool for you before making a purchase. The Budget Classic. If you're on a tight budget, YNAB also offers a free version called Budget Classic. However, Budget Classic is a much more limited version of the tool. It doesn't include all of the features of the premium subscription, and it's not as user-friendly. Is YNAB worth the cost? Whether or not YNAB is worth the cost is a personal decision. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and improving your financial habits, YNAB can be a valuable tool. The premium subscription offers a wide range of features that can help you reach your financial goals. However, if you're just starting out with budgeting or don't need all of the features of the premium subscription, Budget Classic might be a more affordable option. Or, you can take advantage of the free trial to see if YNAB is right for you before making a purchase. In conclusion, you do have to pay to use YNAB, but there are different options available to suit your budget and needs. The premium subscription offers the most features, but there's also a free trial and a more limited free version called Budget Classic. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for YNAB comes down to your personal financial situation and goals. If you're looking for a powerful and effective budgeting tool, YNAB is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.